Good morning, trading world. Today is May 7th, 2020, and this is the pre-market outlook. We're going to go for the NASDAQ and I'm going to tell you what I see coming in the NASDAQ. Most likely, we're going to see a first leg down at the open, more than likely. And even though we're going to see that first leg down, uh, three out of the three trend factors that I look at each morning, they're all bullish. So I am going to tend to try to look for bullish trades. So if we get that pop down first, when we get to support, that's where I will be looking to try to take a bullish shot. Uh, let's identify the support reaction areas first. And let's see here. All right, the Jack support level is 90.72. The Queen support level is 90.40. And the King support level is 90.11. Areas of pertinence in between. The first one I have is 90.56, which is right around here. Then the next one is all the way off the charts down here to 9,002 right there. And then the next one is 89.88, which is all the way down here. And then the last that I have for the day is going to be 89.66, which is all the way down here. Those are the support levels of the day. Resistance, Jack resistance level is going to be 9100. Queen resistance level is going to be 9109. King resistance level is 9144. Levels of pertinence in between. The first one is 9081, which is right about here. Right down there. The next one is 9118, which is right about here. The next one is 9155, which is right about here. And then after that is 9199, which is all the way up here. And then after that, the last one that I have on at the time is 9224, which is right about here. Those are the levels for today. Like I said, I'll be looking based on the jobs number. I'm looking for, it's really not even based on the jobs number, but just the way things are setting up. Hopefully we get this first leg down so that we can come in and start trying to look for longs. But could be short-lived because we're running out of steam or momentum basically. So this is basically the turn or the top of the box that we're stuck in. So we're going to hit our heads at the top of the box and then probably move down kind of sharply. But again, it's nothing to be alarmed about, at least at the moment, because we're in this boxed range. So that's pretty much what I see happening today. Even if we take off for the upside on the first leg, the top of the box is up here somewhere right around 9144. We could hit our heads on the top of that box and move down. quite fast. But for me, I like to stay with the trend regardless if the intermediate and long term trend are long or bullish. I like to try to look for bullish trades. Um, Whatever the major trend is, and every now and again I'll go against the trend, but when I do, those are trades that are pretty much held with a really tight leash. I move that stop very fast. So that's what I'm looking at today. Nothing, no real information, nothing else to really pass on except for just looking out in this volatility box. Um, we'll put on some option positions at the top of the box to try to take some profits at the bottom of the box. And as we kind of fall in this box, when we get near to the bottom of the box, that'll be the time to kind of look at volume to see if we can get, you know, 3 or 4 thousand contracts per minute to kind of, if we see that things are getting a little serious and we're getting some participation, and the heavier the volume gets when we get to the closer to the bottom of the box, the more serious I'll take the sales activity. But in order for me to take it serious, it has to be over maybe 4 or 5 thousand contracts per minute on the futures, especially on the. I'll be gauging that based on the ES, the S&P 500 futures. So that's what we'll be looking at. Again, have your risk defined. Please be safe and have a great trading day.